So I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to change the language on this watch. This is basically the interface language, just the language you see when you're moving across the interface of the watch. So to do this, go to settings, and you can go to settings by swiping down and tapping on the settings icon. On the main settings page, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you get to other, tap on that, and then tap on system settings, and then you should see the option for language. Tap on that. You can see mine is set to English. You can scroll and set it to any language you want. So mine is English United States. I'm just gonna change it to maybe English United Kingdom, but of course you can change it to any other language: Chinese, Japanese, Espanol, French, Italian, whatever it is that you want. And then once you're done, just press the home button to go back to the watch face. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.